Hello, I'm Justin from Group 1 of 2 Compassion, and today I am going to show you the container my group made to keep drinks hot for a long time, how we carried out the experiment, and how we made the container. Our container has a very simple concept, which is only made up of two things, cotton wool and a plastic container which was used to hold Chinese New Year cookies. We basically just stuff cotton wool around the inner surroundings of the container, leaving a gap to place the beaker in. Both of these items are household items, and anyone can easily make this container very quickly and easily. You can just find cotton wool or any container of this size and just stuff cotton wool inside, and you should be done within 1 minute. The plastic container also encourages recycling, as it was used for another purpose beforehand. We use cotton wool as it traps air, and air is an insulator of heat. This will trap heat inside the container, and the water will not lose heat so quickly to the surrounding air. This has the same concept as the fur of a polar bear. As the North Pole is so cold, the air in between the polar bear's fur will work as an insulator of heat, and the heat from the polar bear's body will not be lost so quickly to the surrounding air, allowing the polar bear to keep warm enough to live. So here is how we carried out the experiment. Step 1, we simply just got a cup of hot water from a kettle. Secondly, we poured equal amounts of hot water into both beakers. We use the same cup of hot water, as this is to ensure that both cups or both beakers have the same temperature of hot water. Step 3, we place one of the beakers into the container we made. And lastly, we left them side by side in a room with minimal ventilation, and we waited and waited for one of them to reach room temperature. 1 hour later, the beaker in setup B, which is the one without the container, reached room temperature, and after 3 hours, the beaker in setup A, which was placed inside the container, reached room temperature. This means that the container we made will keep drinks hot for 3 hours, 3 times more than leaving it in a normal beaker. And this is again Justin from Group 1 of 2 Compassions, and thank you for watching.